We almost missed our bus.
But we didn't.
We almost went on the wrong one, and then we had to chase this one down to get onto it.
Very kind man.
Yes. And it's like empty, so yay.
It's a good one. Hey vlog.
So we just recorded this exact same thing, but facing the beach.
Take two.
Take two.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
Welcome back.
We're at the beautiful SANLUCAR
SANLUCAR de Barrameda.
Barrameda.
We had lunch,
Mm-hmm.
basked in the sun,
Mm-hmm.
and later we're gonna go to the fountain. We don't know if there's a downtown. We're gonna walk around by a fountain.
In the plaza.
Maybe get some tapas.
But it's been a perfect beach day. The weather's amazing. And there's not a lot of people on this beach. It just feels really nice here. The bus ride to get here was a little long, honestly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
didn't need to be that long. It took stops through multiple towns. It was 2.5 hours, and it just didn't need to be that long.
Yeah.
I think a bus from Seville to Cadiz is hour and a half, hour 45, and this isn't that much farther from Cadiz. It was just we went back roads the whole time. That's the only.
It felt like almost 3 hours. Yeah.
That's the only thing that's about it.
But it was beautiful, and I'm happy we came.
Yeah.
And we'll show you the town later.
Bye. I don't know where she went. I think I see her. I'm gonna, for the vlog, we're gonna do it for the vine. There you are. Slay. Okay, I'm gonna put you back down now. Can you see her? I hope you appreciate the commentary.
What'd you say?
I was like, where did you go? Because you couldn't see you down the hill.
Oh.
And then I was like, okay, Brianna, I'm gonna show you you. I showed you. I was like, okay. Yay. How about
Cute.
Yes, look back at it.
¿Cómo vi yo?
The fermentation, maybe? It's so spooky. Yeah, it does look spooky.
Cool. I guess we can be in here.
I know. We were like, can we be in here? Cool. I think because it's a restaurant. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So we had an interaction.
Don't know what he said.
We had no idea what was happening.
And I was like, no, we're good. Like, we're going to continue. And he's like, no, come. And
Yeah.
we're like,
So then we come and then we're in everyone's way.
we left.
And now we're running out because we don't want to eat there. We just wanted pictures.
Yeah. But wonder how much
It's so pretty here.
Loving the colors.
Loving it.
Another qualm.
This is great. This is beautiful. But I just never thought about like doing a day trip and calculating in siestas because literally everything's closed.
Yeah.
But we only have the day, so.
And the first half was spent on the beach, enjoying it, not like running around and getting food or whatever.
Yeah.
So now everything's closed.
Right. So it's kind of hard to do day trips in Spain because half of the day is closed.
Unless it's like restaurants. Some of the restaurants are still open.
All of the,
But
yeah,
like,
you're right, most of them.
Shopping, knick-knack places, closed. So that's a qualm we have with this day trip.
But really cute town.
Yeah. Small, but cute. Quaint.
Quaint. Look at this huge nest. This big bird.
This is the U.S. over Asia.
Bye-bye. It was so nice.
We loved you. We're back.
Still not home yet. So close to home.
And the train's coming just as we were coming down the stairs. It was meant to be.
It was meant to be.
See you soon.
That was the fit, the change of outfit. Dang, it's so cute.
Abercrombie.
Yes.
There. DSW. Edinburgh. Lefties. I don't remember. Oh wait, the place in Triana.
So cute.
And Women's Secret.
Blair Waldorf vibes.
Yes.
I didn't know they sold headbands.
Yeah, for like $5 for a pack of 3, I think.
Damn.
They're having their sales.
Yeah.
You want me to follow up?
Yeah. This is Maddie's look. The off the shoulder, fuzzy jacket.
Chic look. These pants
It's
are
giving
from
New York.
my brother. I see them.
They're your brother's pants?
Yeah, so yes. Okay, thank you. They're from Polar Bear. They were on sale.
Oh, really? Cute.
Yes, kind of cute. This is from high school, from Sophia actually.
Ooh.
A pair. Also from Sophia, from this Christmas.
Yeah.
So, and bracelet from Morocco.
Yay.
Oh, Amazon.
So
She's
cute.
a little fatty.
This is the outfit change.
Ooh.
Kind of just changed up the pants a little bit. Same shirt, same coat. Got some sneakers because my feet were hurting. And a cute bag. And no, I'm not going to say where everything's from because I don't remember.